What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the screen won't turn on issue in MagicOS 8. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold this power button and then from the menu tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting your phone the screen issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then open settings. Now scroll down to the end and tap on system and updates, and then in system and updates tap on reset. Now here tap on reset all settings, and then again tap on this reset all settings option to confirm. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset all your mobile settings back to factory default, but it will not delete any data from your phone. So after doing this, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings again. Now scroll down to the end and tap on system and updates, and then again tap on reset, and this time tap on reset phone. Now again tap on this reset phone option on the bottom of your screen to confirm. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset all your phone settings and everything back to factory default, and everything including account, apps, music, photos, videos, files, everything will be deleted. So tap on this option, and after that your issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the screen won't turn on issue in MagicOS 8. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.